Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to balance transfer in Citibank application. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go and download the application. And of course, it's going to be like this. This is the logo, it's just a city. And you'll have to open it up and log in using your user ID or Touch ID or even Face ID if you enable those options. I've already showed you how to enable them. And if you don't have an account, of course, you'll have to register for an account. So now how to balance, as an example, or how to send a balance transfer in a Citibank application. So of course here they'll tell you first of all, if you haven't signed up for a balance transfer card from Citi yet, you can apply for a card here. As an example, you can click on that link. This is basically if you go whatever type apply as example for Citibank card, you will be taken, you can click on the first link and you'll be taken to the same like page that they showed you here before. So how to apply for a card, basically, very easily. And then, of course, if approved, you can set your balance transfer. At the same time, upon approval of your new account, you'll be given a chance to transfer a balance from an existing card during your application process to initiate the transfer, and you'll simply need to provide the account number of your other account, the card issuer name, and the amount of debt that you want to transfer. So basically, just ignore all of that. So to initiate like transfer within that time frame, here are the steps that you'll need to do. So log into your Bank City account, as we said here. Go or click to payments and transfers at the top of the page. And this is done via the mobile app or online. Of course, you can do it also online. Then click on balance transfer. Click on view available balance transfer offer. And this might also show a start a balance transfer. Then select the balance transfer offer you want to pursue and enter the required details. This includes, of course, the account number for credit card that you want to transfer a balance from and the balance transfer amount. It's worth noting that even if you are beyond that 4-month time frame or have had a Citi account for years, you may still receive balance transfer offers in your Citi account from time to time. Additionally, you can contact the Citi customer service and initiate a balance transfer over the phone. All you have to do is call the number of your bank, back of course, on the back of your card with your account information ready, and you should be good to go. And of course, if you want to just check the status, you'll just have to log in, go to payments and transfer, click on balance transfer, and you'll be able to click on view balance transfer status. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.